this goes through in its worst possible form, and it very well may do that for a period of time, it's going to be quite devastating to the Canadian automotive manufacturing industry. Tariffs don't serve anybody particularly well, and they certainly don't serve the U.S. industry well. The reality is the world is going to electric mobility. And if the U.S. administration says, hold on, and if they're put behind by an attraction to internal combustion engines and lack of investment in electric vehicles, and then on top of that they put tariff walls up around it, the U.S. industry will become quite uncompetitive pretty fast. And then those tariffs that are put in place today to build up the industry will be perpetuated over the long term because the U.S. industry can't compete.